So today I decided to come downtown to check out the Terry Fox Memorial. Picked a bad day for it with all this construction. It definitely added a few minutes to my trip. Oh well. Still nice to get out on the bike. It's been a few days, a couple of weeks at least. Horrible weather. And just family life and family situations keeping me away. But that's it. Life throws you curveballs and you deal with it. So right now I'm riding through St. John's. I'm down on the waterfront. See Signal Hill is off in the distance there. It was sunny earlier today, but typical Newfoundland, the weather changed in an instant. Now this is the second time I've had my microphone set up out. I'm trying something new today. Hopefully it sounds better when I get back home. If not, oh well, I'll just add music and sound effects. Once I get up where the Terry Fox Memorial is, I'm gonna sit back, relax, give you a little tour, and I'm also going to give you some drone footage. I'm gonna take a few clips of the area. Up here on my left is the Newfoundland National War Memorial. Trying to steer straight at the corner of my eye. Short ride today. I just needed to get out of the house. This is only about a 10-minute ride from my home. Plus 20 minutes sitting in a lineup waiting to get through the construction area. It's a gloomy day. Now last year when I came here, there were no I'm just going to do like I did last year, sneak through. This right here is the Terry Fox Memorial. I'll give you a tour now. So here's the Terry Fox Memorial. This is what they consider mile 1, because when he started his journey, this is where he started, first mile. I just wish people would realize that anything's possible if you try. Dreams are made if people try. So now I'm going to give you some drone footage of this area. It's hard to believe that it's been, what, 43 years since Terry Fox began this run. 1980, April 12th, 1980 is when he dipped his toe and started across Canada. True hero.
There's some stains on your photo, little cracks on your rusty frame, stuck in the mud, but it's okay. I don't have the pieces of you buried in the flashbacks. All these wicked nightmares has gone cold. Now we go way, way back, as far as way back goes. Still standing by your side. You know I'll be right here when all the monsters come. I've got you. You grew old in suburbia, where pretty demons never show, shifting shapes in millennia, but you're okay. I don't have the pieces of you buried in the flashbacks. All these wicked nightmares has gone cold. Now we go way, way back, as far as way back goes. Still standing by your side. You know I'll be right here when all the monsters come.
Well, I hope you enjoyed my video. I'll probably add a few extra motorcycle riding clips on here as I'm on my way home, depending on what I see. Anyway, come down and check this spot out. It's just beneath Signal Hill, and it has a lot of, it has a nice powerful emotion behind it, I guess you could say. Well, I can't go home without taking a little ride up Signal Hill. Few ruts in the road. I would love to come up here with my drone, but unfortunately it's illegal to fly your drones over national parks. So the best I can do is from the harbor looking towards Signal Hill. The other night when I was here, you couldn't see your hand in front of you. It was so foggy. It's a little better today. Stand up so you can see better. Over that way in the distance is Cape Spear. I don't know if you can see over that wall, but that's Fort Amherst. Looks nice with the fog. Up where those people are walking, that takes you over towards Cuckold's Cove as well as Kitty Vitty, the village. It's a nice hike. Eagle's Nest down there as well. Here we go. The sun is trying to peek through. Anyway, here is St. John's in all its splendor. It's some hard to go the speed limit on this hill. I just want to go fast. That's the Geo Center there to the right. Well, this time I am not going to go back through Water Street. I'm going to find an alternative route to avoid that traffic. A lot of tricky intersections in this city. Busy. The Basilica. That's the rooms to my right. You have a lot of nice displays in there, especially the Trail of the Caribou, where Newfoundland troops went overseas to and fought in Beaumont Hamel. Sorry, I can't talk and ride at the same time. I was letting Buddy go. All right, now I'm done. It was a good ride today. Nice to get out again. Woo, speed. I like speed. I don't like tickets though, so I'm not going to stay this speed. So anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed some of the scenes and maybe encourage some of you to go down and check out that monument. So until next time, take care.